Advanced revenue management, deleting revenue arrangements. Alright, so we are now up to 6.5. Sweet answer 49243. Let's go there. And you see revenue arrangements can be deleted if they have no associated transactions, such as revenue recognition or reclassification journal entries. When a revenue arrangement is deleted, its revenue elements are not deleted, but they are temporarily orphan objects. When revenue arrangements are updated, orphaned revenue elements are reassociated with their pre-merge revenue arrangements if they have one. If there is no revenue arrangement to associate the orphaned elements with, and if the elements are still associated with a source transaction, a new revenue arrangement is created. Alright, so we're basically going to go to our revenue arrangements, which is transaction, financial revenue arrangements. I've already picked one up here. Now I know on this arrangement there is a journal there, so this will not delete, but let's just test it quickly. So there's delete, and here you can see error. You cannot delete this transaction because there are other transactions linked to this. Right, so I'm gonna go there, and then you can see there's one journal here. I cannot delete that journal at the moment because my period is closed, so I'll quickly go and open my period, right, which is there. Reopen period. Delete revenue arrangement. Oops. Reopen period. Okay, and I think I need to open this for the journals. Unlock all. Right, so now if I update this, the edit button should appear because the period is open. So I'm now going to edit this journal, and then I'm going to just wait for the, there you go, delete button. Delete, other, test, delete. And now if I go back to that revenue arrangement, this should now be able to delete because I've deleted the only journal that was on it. Right, so there you go, test, and there you go, deleted after I deleted the transaction.